There's these little retainers right here. Slide this out and slide these straight up. You can grab the light assembly, slide straight forward, disconnect the connector right here. There's 2 tabs. Just slide up on the 2 tabs and then the connector comes out. And same with this one. And there's a release clip right there. Just take a long screwdriver, push that down. As you push that down, just slide out on the light. You can push down on these tabs right here and twist it. Twist the socket counterclockwise, just like that. And this last one just twists counterclockwise. And take the light assembly and put the sockets in and twist them to the right. Just line it up and twist it to the right. There we go. And you might have to push the wires back in. And slide this. You want to slide the front of it in first. And line the clip up and lock it in place. And you can line it up with the plugs, connect the bulb, and connect the high beam bulb. Just line this up. And take the pins. Get both pins started first. All right, push the pins, lock them in place.